This is the moment where the project starts to feel real. At the new Spotify Camp Nou, key structures are no longer just plans. They're now fully visible, taking shape piece by piece. From the upper tiers to the massive steel ring and interior spaces, today's update shows how multiple parts of the stadium are coming together at the same time. The third tier is now extremely close to completion, especially in the south stand where only a small gap remains. Prefabricated seating sections continue to be lifted and installed with precision, and workers are finalizing the last structural placements. The pace suggests that this section could be fully completed very soon, marking a major milestone in opening up the upper capacity of the stadium. The compression ring is expanding steadily around the stadium, with multiple heavy steel box sections already installed and more being added. Each segment, weighing over 20 tons, is carefully lifted, aligned, and secured using large bolts and tension systems, a process that takes several hours per section. This ring will form a continuous circular structure, essential for supporting the future roof, and current progress shows consistent advancement toward completing this critical framework. Crane activity remains intense across the site, with continuous lifting operations for both compression ring sections and structural pillars. Tower cranes are handling massive components, including newly lifted pillars in the north stand area, suggesting upcoming connections with radial beams. Work on the second tier is progressing through active concrete pouring and structural development. Crews are building the base layers that will support circulation areas, including walkways and service zones beneath the third tier. This phase also includes preparing foundational sections for future installations like restrooms and concession areas, indicating that functional spaces are now being shaped alongside structural work. Inside the VIP ring, construction has moved into the internal build-out stage, with galvanized steel framing being installed to define walls and room layouts. These structures will form premium hospitality areas, including lounges and private suites, once insulation and finishing materials are added. The scale of framing work across multiple sections shows that this area is progressing steadily toward becoming one of the most high-end parts of the stadium. Exterior work is advancing with the installation of anchoring systems for the future facade. Mounting points for ceramic cladding panels are being added progressively, preparing the structure for its final outer appearance. While full panel installation has not yet begun, the increasing number of anchors indicates that facade work will accelerate in upcoming phases. The north stand currently shows more limited activity compared to other areas, but work is still ongoing. Efforts are focused on smaller-scale tasks such as safety installations, lower facade preparation, and material positioning. Although large structural movements are not as visible here, this area remains part of the broader phased construction plan. Outside the stadium, major progress is being made on infrastructure, particularly the ramp near the Masia area. Layers of soil are being transported, placed, and compacted to gradually raise the ground level, forming a key access route for vehicles and stadium operations. Heavy machinery continues to shape and level this area, bringing it closer to completion. The tribuna stand is also showing clear structural progress, with ongoing work across both lower and mid-sections. Concrete structures are already well established, and crews are now focusing on refining internal layouts and preparing surfaces for the next construction phases. Some areas are moving toward early-stage finishing, while others are still in structural development, indicating that work here is progressing in a phased and controlled manner. A lot of viewers have been asking about the seating situation in the third tier. So, just to clarify, the prefabricated seating structure is almost fully installed, with only a few small gaps remaining. Once these gaps are completed in the coming days, the actual seats, the ones people will sit on, are expected to start being installed shortly after. Overall, the project is advancing across multiple fronts at the same time, with the third tier nearing completion, the compression ring steadily expanding, and interior spaces beginning to take real shape. While significant work still remains, especially in finishing and roofing phases, the current progress clearly shows that the stadium is moving closer to its next major milestones.